Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to another social media tactics show. All right. So this show I call it social media SWAT show. Social media strategies, weapons, and tactics. Or you can call it the Oracle says. Right? The Oracle says it's me saying different things to you about social media marketing that can help your business, your brand, sell your product, sell your services, whatever it is. All right. So my name is Victor Anyanwu and they call me the Social Media Oracle. I'm a business and healthcare social media strategist. I help you attract prospects and convert them to paying customers. I run a social media marketing agency, and in this agency we can help you with social media marketing, social media management, social media, everything. Online marketing is what we do best, right? So if you got any issues, please remember to send me a message on WhatsApp 234-817710-8267, or you can follow me across all social media platforms at the Oracle VE. All right, thank you so much for being here. I hope you've been enjoying the videos we've been dishing out. Today I'm going to dish out something really cool. Sometimes you set up your ads and you just do some crazy things, right? So we're going to deal with some of those crazy things. I'll remind you of a story that I've just told on this platform before. A story about a client and how client set up an ads and ran away, right? And how the ads, cost us so much, all right? It was one of my most watched videos, so you can always watch it. Probably add the link to this video at the end of the day, all right? So invite your friends, tag them, all right? Subscribe, like, comment, invite your friends to watch this video with you, all right? And I'll see you in the next minute. Okay guys, we back right now. So some of the mistakes I hope you guys don't do. Number one is never ever set up your ads and ignore it. I've told you the story of, it was one of the videos, one of my most watched videos I said earlier, of a client that set up her ads and did not monitor it. So the ad was now costing her so much and she had to pay so much and got nothing, for everything that she was paying, right? See, Facebook has an analytics area. The reason why you have to monitor your ads is you need to know how that ad is performing, all right? So Facebook is telling you, oh, this ad is performing pretty well. People are clicking on it. People are watching it. People are clicking on the links to check out the site or clicking on the links to the purchase page. People are downloading it. Whatever it is you have set up, Facebook tells you from the analytics area. So you want to look at the analytics area and really see how your ad is performing. It is very, very important that your ad is performing. You set it up, but is it reaching the goals you have set? There was a client that got in touch with us one time. They wanted us to work with them. And when I gave my bill, they're like, this is your bill. It's not even as high as the one that we're currently paying. Okay, let's see. Let's just take it up. So we got up. One of the things that we looked at was their Facebook adverts analytics area. And it was a mess, all right? Really expensive ads, getting terrible results. Nobody even checked it to see, we shouldn't be paying so much for this. We shouldn't be paying so much for this, right? Sometimes when your creative is bad, your image is bad, or your call to action is not clear, or they don't know what to do with your call to action, or your copy is just a mess, all right? Sometimes you set up these ads, you would have done you have a fantastic audience that you set up. You would have picked out all the necessary things that you would have picked out for your audiences, all right? But because all these other areas are terrible, the creative is terrible, the call to action is terrible, the copy is terrible, the ad performs poorly against that audience. If that same audience is giving a better creative, a better copy, and a better call to action, you will see the audience performing. You'll be like, look at these guys, they are performing. I don't even believe this right now, because those things were terrible. But you can only know that when you are monitoring the stats, when you are monitoring the analytics. That's why analytics is important. Don't just run the ads and say, I've set it up, set it up, forget it. No. Set up your ads, monitor the results, all right? You can monitor the result and see that the ad is performing very well. You might need to increase your budget. because it's performing very well. So you want to take advantage. If the ad is not performing well, you might need to stop the ad. Yes, stop the ad and correct all the mistakes, either the copy or the audience or the or where the ad is showing, or the type of ad structure that you picked. Did you pick a carousel ad? Did you pick a video ad? Did you pick an image ad? You might need to change all of that just to get the best result. That is why looking at your analytics is important. So, mistake number one, I think you should never do. Never ever forget to look at your advert analysis. Look at your advert analysis. See what you can learn from there. See what it is telling you and how you can improve your adverts. Do you understand? Don't set up and run away. All right? 1. 2. Always use custom audiences and lookalike audiences. I am tired of seeing ads that rely only on cold audiences that you'll be getting from all those behaviors and online behavior and interests. So you pick interests and you pick online behavior and you save those audiences and you keep running ads to those ones, right? It's good, but don't stop there. Remember, you can get custom audiences. They've already heard of you before. It's easier to convert people that have already heard of you before, people that have already engaged with you. It's easier to convert them, right? Now, you now create lookalike audiences for the custom audiences that you have created, right? It's easier for those lookalike audiences to convert because they look like those that have converted already. It's easier for you, right? The most expensive audiences for you would always be your interest and online behavior audience. That is your saved audiences because they haven't heard of you before. They are new, they are fresh, right? So when you spend all your time there, you are spending so much money there and you're not taking advantage of your custom and your lookalike, your ads will be expensive. All right, so take advantage of all the things Facebook is offering you. There's so many tactics, there's so many tools. Take advantage of all of them. Mistake number 2, never ever forget to create custom and lookalike audiences. All right, now this is the final thing I think you should never ever forget to do. You see, every time people engage in your advert, anytime people watch your advert, anytime people come to your page, all right, something brought them there. There's something they're interested in. There's something they like that made them get there. All right? Now, if they got there and they probably did not take action and they moved to another thing, could it be that they forgot? I forget, so I don't know about you, but I forget. I forget things. All right? I would have planned to buy something, but I forgot. There was this lady that wanted to buy banana bread from, right? I think it was banana bread or banana cake. And I told her I was going to do it, but I forgot. I got so busy, I forgot. All right, I had a TV interview that day, but I finished, I had a client I had to see. So at the end of the day, I was exhausted, I totally forgot. But the lady kept getting in touch with me. She kept sending messages, and I was happy. But the problem was she was apologizing for doing that. She was like, oh, I'm sorry that I'm getting into it. I'm like, don't apologize. I forgot. I want to buy this thing. I forgot. So please do not forget to send reminder adverts or reminders to people who have shown interest. People can forget. Right? Life can happen. Right? They just get busy. Always remember to get back to people. They might say, I'll get back to you. They can forget. You get back to them. You can send reminder ads and say, okay, all those who have engaged with this particular video, all those who have sent me a DM, in the last 10 days or 15 days or 30 days, all those who have said, or who have looked at these adverts, have, engaged with these adverts, all those, retarget them. Yes, retarget them with your reminder adverts, right? And remember, you can still create lookalike audiences for those guys too. Oh, wait, this is important, right? So 3 mistakes you should never make, right? Do not forget to look at your Facebook advert analytics, or your Facebook, or generally any platform at all. Do not forget to look at the analytics. You learn a lot from the analytics, and it will help you improve what you're currently doing on the page and help you improve your Facebook ads or your strategy generally. All right. So do not forget to look at analytics, especially of your Facebook adverts. All right. You could learn from it to improve what you're getting on the adverts. 1, 2. Do not forget to use custom audiences and lookalike audiences. Stop relying only on online behaviors and interests to create an audience, right? Always remember custom and lookalike. 3, finally, do not forget to get back to people. Send reminder ads. Life happens, people forget. Please send reminder ads, all right? Very, very important, all right? I hope I've been able to help you improve today. That's the idea, help you improve, right? You got issues, you got questions, social media, online marketing, you just want social media management, right? Shoot me a DM. I am at the Oracle VA across the social media platforms. At TheOracleVA. My name is Victor Anyanwu. You can also reach me on WhatsApp. 234-81-7710-8267. All right? Strategies win battles, not weapons. You got the weapons, but you need to know how to use them. That's where strategy comes. Strategy puts everything together and gets you the result that you want. Till I come your way next week, remember to not make all the mistakes I've talked about today. All right? Cheers, guys.